Good morning children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for first standard students. Yes children, as you people know, I have completed the poem that is gone. Yes, gone means what I have explained you, the meaning of the word gone. Gone means it's not here, it is already gone. So here, just let me read the poem once children. You all can open page number 18 in your textbook. Page number 18 and tenth poem gone. Yes, I had it today for just an hour, then tucked away by the wind's power. It sailed off free above the crowd, high as a tree, high as a cloud, high as the moon, high as the sun. My blue balloon has gone, gone, gone. Yes? Once again I will read children. Listen to me carefully. Keep the finger into your textbooks. Gone. I had it today for just an hour, then tucked away by the wind's power. It sailed off free above the crowd, as high a tree, high as a cloud, high as the moon, high as the sun. My blue balloon has gone, gone, gone. This is the poem that I have completed. I have sent you the poem also today. Yes children, and I will send you the new words in the afternoon. Tomorrow, as soon as you receive one more video of this poem, first you write the assignment work, that is question answers, and then you can go with the remaining activity. So here children, you can see here opposites. Opposites, they have given an activity in page number 18 children down. Two words are given and these two words are called as what? Opposite. Yes. So opposite words means what? The words which doesn't match to each other are called as what? Opposite word. So here you can see children, first let us begin the topic, that is opposites. Opposites. And the first sentence over here is make sentences. The question is what here? Make sentences. Sentences. Here the first point in this is above and the second point in this below. Below. Yes. Now above means what? Up. Below means what? Down. You can see here one example. I will show you children here in the textbook. So here you can see children what is above and below. Here you can see above means the bird is flying above the tree, and here you can see the cat. The cat is sitting under the tree, that is below. Here there is tree and below the tree the cat is sitting. Yes, cat, that is below, and bird, it is flying above andre mele, above. Below andre talagade. Yes. So here now with these two words what we have? Here you can see children, the bird is flying up, that is called above, and the cat is sitting here down the tree, that is called below. Above andre mele, below andre talagade. So now children, with the help of these two words, yes, with the help of these two words, what we have to do? We have to write two sentences. What we have to do children? We have to write two sentences. So here the first sentence, the bird flies above the tree. Where the bird is flying in the picture? The bird flies above the tree. Second one, below. Below means what? The cat is sitting below the tree. Where is the cat sitting? The cat is sitting below the tree. The cat is sitting below the tree. Yes, children. Now, here one more activity is given in the textbook. Yes, children. But when you have to write this you have to write when you get tomorrow video. Yes. So that time, first you have to write the question answers of this lesson what I send you in the assignment. That will be the first main. This is the second main that you have to follow this. Now coming to the next part. Next part, that is, here they have given one activity, children. I will show you. Yes. Color the balloon, the giant wheel and the horse. What is the question here, children? Here they have said, color the balloons, the giant wheel and the horse. So here you can see, children, here there are balloons. What are here? Balloons. Yes, these are the balloons. And you observe, children, these balloons are not colored. Yes or no? They are plain in white color. These balloons are not colored. And this is called as what? Giant wheel. What is this? Giant wheel. You can see the children are playing. And this too is not colored. It is in the white color. It is plain. No color is given for it. Next, coming to the picture, that is horse. You can see this horse, children. Yes. This horse is not colored at all. This is white in color. Yes. So they have said, color the balloons, the giant wheel and the horse. So now your duty is you have to color the balloons, the giant wheel and the horse, children. Yes, all the three things you have to color in this textbook. This is textbook activity. This is not notebook activity, children. Now next. Name any 6 things you can see in the picture. Write them in the alphabetical order. Yes, children. See what all things we can see here. Here we can see there are balloons. There is a tent. Here there is a giant wheel. And here the person is selling ice cream. Here there is a horse rider. The horse is moving. And here we can see there is a food stall. They have already mentioned food stall. So now these words will start with the alphabets, but we have to look at the first letter of this word and arrange the words in the alphabetical order. See there. Name any 6 things you can see in the picture. Write them in alphabetical order. We have to write these all names in the alphabetical order. Yes. So let us start, children, now. So here, the first word that we are going to start is here. Yes, children. Yes. Name any 6 things you can see in the picture. Name any 6 things you can see in the picture. Write them in alphabetical write them in what they have said, alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. So here first one we can see there balloons. With A there is no any word in this. So first we will write balloon. Second word is what here? Second word foot stall. B, C, D, E, not there. F. F is what there? Foot stall. Foot stall. Then third word. Third word is what here? Giant wheel. Third word is what here? Giant wheel. That is begin with the capital O. Next is what here? Horse. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Then the next is ice cream. Ice cream. And the sixth one is what here? Tent. T-E-N-T. Tent. So these are the words. See here children, with A in this picture, with A there is no any word. So I started with B, that is balloon. Then after B, C, D, E. No words are present here with the 10 alphabets. Then F, F for foot stall. Then after F comes what? G, G for giant wheel. G after H, horse. After H, I, ice cream. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Last comes what here? Tent. Yes. So this we have completed this activity. This you have to write only in your test books. Now next, coming to the next part. Here, next. Ask or said. I want a doll, said Preeti. Ask mother, said Pankaj. Then, I want a doll. Who said this? There was one girl, Preeti. The name of that girl was what there? Preeti. Then what that Preeti said? I want one doll. She said to her mother, I want one doll. Then asked mother, said Pankaj. Then mother asked, who wants? Then Pankaj will tell, Preeti wants one doll. Then what Pankaj will tell? Preeti wants one doll. Who said she wants the doll? Preeti. She said, I want one doll. Then mother asked, who asked? Mother. She asked, who want the doll? Then Pankaj said, Preeti. Then what Pankaj said? Preeti. So, we use ask to know who needs the things. And we use said when we say something to the second person. And we are discussing it in front of the third boy or third girl. Then we use the what? Said. So here, fill in the blanks with ask or said. Yes, fill in the blanks. This will be the third one here. This you have to write in the notebook. Idana ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Notebook ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. This you have to write in the test book. Yes, children. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Blanks with first one is what here? I have 2 dogs as pet. As pet. That is open inverted comma. Then next is dash Tim. I will explain you children. Next one. When I don't understand something. When I don't understand something. Let me write this down only children. Something, comma. I dash my teacher. I dash my teacher. Dash my teacher. Third one. This water tastes different. This water tastes different. Dash Alka. Fourth one. Dad, I want a chocolate. A baby is asking her dad. Dad, I want a chocolate. Then close inverted comma, full point, again open inverted comma, dash mother, dash dad. Yes, here children. Now listen to the question first, what they have asked. Fill in the blanks with ask or said. Yes, I have 2 dogs as pet. Dash Tim. That is, I have 2 dogs as pet. Dash Tim. So this is the boy, he is Tim. He is saying, I have 2 dogs as pet. Said Tim. Who said this? Tim said that he is having 2 dogs. When I don't understand something, I dash my teacher. When you don't understand something, when you're not getting what I am teaching, then what do? You ask me. Yes or no? So, I ask my teacher. Ask my teacher. Next. This water tastes different. Dash Alka. So this girl, she is saying the water what I am drinking, that is taste is different. The taste is different. Who said this? Alka. So said Alka. Said Alka. Dad, I want a chocolate. Dash mother. Dash dad. So see. Dad, I want a chocolate. Said, ask mother. Said dad. Ask mother. Mother said dad. Said dad. Dad, I want a chocolate. Ask mother. Said dad. Yes or no? So this we have completed. Now here there is one more activity, children. Again in the same activity, and this is also only the textbook activity. You should not do this in the notebook. Only it is a textbook activity. Yes, children. Here I will show you. Here you can see. Here is one activity, children. Yes. So look here. Look at the picture given below. The question is what here? Look at the picture given below. So down they have given some pictures, children. You can see in the first picture a man is sleeping. Yes. And the second picture you can see the bird is flying. What is flying, children? The bird is flying. Yes. Here you can see the bird is flying. Yes. Now in the third picture you can see the parents are saying bye. What the parents are saying? The parents are saying bye. So in the next picture here down you can see the children are very happy. Why? They are celebrating birthday. They are celebrating the birthday. So the children are very happy. In the next, what the boy is doing here, children, in the picture? The boy is reading. The boy is reading a book. And here in the last picture you can see the Tommy is sitting in the rain. The dog is sitting in the rain. Here everywhere you can find, children, in this picture. Each and every picture you can find what? A small white box. Yes. Can you see this? Everywhere this white box can be seen. So you saw all the pictures here. Now what you have to do? You have to read. Now read the sentences. Write the number in the box that explains the sentence. So this sentence they have jumbled and given the sentences what the pictures are doing, what the persons are doing in the picture. We have to set the numbers correctly. So here first one, Tommy is enjoying the rain. First sentence. Second sentence is what here, children? 1 minute. Here you can see, I am having fun on my birthday. Third sentence, look at me. I am flying high in the sky. Fourth sentence, I love to read. I love to read. Next, the fifth sentence, sweet dreams. What is the fifth sentence here? Sweet dreams. The sixth one is goodbye, see you. What is the sixth sentence? Goodbye, see you. Now here you can see all the images. Yes, children. See this, all the images. Now we have to write the correct number in the image, children. Yes. So let us mention the number now. So here, the first picture, what the person is doing here? The man is sleeping. What the man is doing here, children? The man is sleeping. So here, Tommy is enjoying. Look at me. I am flying high up in the sky. Sweet dreams. I am having fun on my birthday. I love to read. Goodbye. See you. So here, the first sentence. Sweet dream. What is the number here, children, of the sentence? 5. So you have to mention here 5 number. Next. What is the next picture here? The bird is flying in the sky. What the bird is doing? The bird is flying in the sky. So what is the sentence? Look at me. I am flying up in the sky. This is third sentence. Write here number 3. What number is given here? Number 3. Next. Here you can see the parents are saying bye. That is see you. Goodbye. See you soon. That is sixth sentence. You have to write sixth number. Next. Here the children are enjoying the birthday party. So what is the sentence here? Here they are given I am having fun on my birthday, number 2. 2 number. And this is the number 4. I love to read, 4th number. Then Tommy is enjoying the rain. This is first sentence. Which is this? First sentence. Tommy is enjoying the rain. So this was the today's activity that we have completed, children. And this is only the textbook activity. This is only the textbook activity. You have to do this activity only in the textbook itself. Okay children, by this I have completed this poem part today. Thank you children. Have a great day.